friends. I am rushing here to get out the door. I'm gonna be at school early today. We're doing this like viewing party of some of the work that we've done throughout the semester, which will be fun. Backpack. And yeah, technically today is my last day of class. Tomorrow I just have to hand in assignments. Oh, and I have an exam today. And then I will be golden. So I gotta rush out the door and get going. Just sitting here waiting for it to be 8:40, which is in 2 minutes, so that I can go in. Oh, it's nice and cozy in here. It is chilly outside. Actually, it's not that bad. It's 1 degree Celsius. Not terrible. But I got some coffee for my whole class, and yeah, so we're doing like this potluck movie viewing thing, and we're gonna watch some of the projects that we worked on all year, and then I have like a good 3-hour break, so I'm contemplating going to get my nails done, because this is probably the only time I'll be able to get them done before Christmas. But I'm wondering if they'll last, because today is only the 10th, so I need it to last at least 2 weeks. Do you think that'll should, right? I mean, there'll be a lot of regrowth, but or should I just wait till like it's really close to Christmas? Maybe I should just wait. I don't know. Anyways, I am going to head in, and I would take you along. I'm gonna take you, but I would take you along on the walk, but I don't have enough hands to carry everything. Okay, I gotta wake up. I gotta get up. I gotta get up. Ugh, I'm tired this morning. I think it's the weather. I went to bed very early, which was nice, but I think the weather is just doom and gloom, and it's hard to be awake, and we had so much sunshine this weekend. Okay, I'm stalling. I'm getting out. I'm so excited. Wait. Okay, I'm ready. Hop right in. Is it already Large Street? No. Yeah. Okay.
10 feet ago, eat the best hot apple dumplings, and see giant pumpkins? Well, you can find all of this and more at the Royal Winter Fair.
I just got my nails done. I love this kind of like burgundy red color for the winter, and I think it'll look nice going to San Francisco. Anyways, I have to go to I'm just gonna run into a store, and then I'm gonna make a few phone calls, run a few errands, and then I have to go back to class actually in an hour-ish, so I don't have a lot of time, and I'm doing an exam, so pray for me. Okay, I am finished with school for the day. I am almost done this semester. I can't believe it. I'm almost in the clear. Almost. So very close. One more exam. And then one assignment to hand in, which I'm actually finished. I just have to, I need to include photos, so I have to source my photos. And then I am finished. I am just so happy that today is finito. Today was like my last full day in school. Man, and then I have one semester left. And that feels so crazy. Anyways, I am headed home. Take out Walter for a walk, and then I actually am going to my naturopath at, I need to be there for 6 o'clock. So it's gonna be a little bit of back-to-back things going on. Oh, excuse me. And I'm really happy with my nails. They were like really needed to be cleaned up. I need some cuticle oil. If anybody has some good suggestions, I feel like I should make it myself, because I've had cuticle oil before and I didn't really find that it did anything. But then I've seen people make it with like jojoba and all this stuff. Maybe I should just use coconut oil. Anywho, I will talk to you in a little bit.
2,000 years later.
I'm home now. Check in. It is so late. Well, it's not so late. It's 7:30, and went to the naturopath. Really, you haven't seen too much today. Hi, buddy. Are you gonna come on the camera? Hi. Ooh, super cute. I guess now I'm going to make some dinner. Andrew already made himself dinner. Didn't make me anything. He's smirking over in the corner. I'll probably just make some leftovers from the other night. I froze the pork ragu. I'm gonna have a better dinner than you. What do you have to say? He's ignoring me. Anyways, I'll make that, and then I haven't even uploaded or edited yesterday's video, so I'm gonna do that too. It's probably be a very short vlog.